An SAP HANA multi-tenant database container system has one SID and one HANA software version. Shared installation of database system software. Tenant databases are identified by name or port. Additive sizing for all tenant database. Each tenant database has its own database admin and end users, database catalog, repository, persistence, backups, traces and logs, and tenants' memory sizing and CPU consumption can be configured independently.
Administration tasks performed in the system database apply to the system as a whole and all of its databases, for example, system-level configuration settings, or can target specific tenant databases, for example, backup of a tenant database.
A system with multi-tenant database containers can be distributed across several hosts. To ensure availability, an instance of the system database runs on all hosts, that is, worker and standby, in a single master and multiple workers configuration. Tenant databases can be created on worker hosts, and existing databases can be scaled out through the addition of services. If a host fails, the standby instance will fail over all active databases and their services. The slide shows a scale-out scenario for a multiple container system with 3 tenant databases distributed across 4 hosts, that is, 3 worker and 1 standby. If host 2 goes down, the standby